Have you noticed that most people dream of financial stability but end up trapped in the same cycle of debt, poor planning, and promises that never leave the paper? The truth is, there's a proven path to change this scenario, and the most surprising part is you don't need to wait years to see results. In just 90 days, 3 months, you can organize your finances so effectively that you'll be ahead of 95% of people. This isn't theory, it's practice. Today, I'm going to reveal the step-by-step process to transform your relationship with money in a short time, starting exactly where you are. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll have a real plan to break free from disorganization and walk toward financial freedom. The first thing that separates those who move forward from those who stay behind is a financial diagnosis. Most people avoid this step because they don't like facing reality, but you can't change what you don't measure. Over the next 30 days, your mission is simple. Record absolutely everything that goes in and out of your account. Whether it's a $2 coffee or a streaming subscription, every cent must be noted. By the end of the first month, you'll have a clear snapshot of your financial life, and will see where your money has been slipping away unnoticed. This awareness is liberating because, right from the first step, you'll start spotting adjustment opportunities that were hidden before. In the second month, with your diagnosis in hand, it's time to tackle the biggest money drains. This is when you cut the excess and create room to breathe financially. The rule is straightforward. Identify the 3 biggest unnecessary expenses and eliminate or drastically reduce them. It could be a credit card with sky-high interest, a habit of impulse buying, or even a lifestyle above your income. The secret here isn't to cut everything and live miserably, but to choose where the cut will have the greatest impact. This action alone puts you ahead of most people, because while 95% keep increasing their expenses, you'll be reducing them and gaining power over your money. Now we reach the 3rd month, and this is where the magic happens. Turning what's left into smart investments. This is the turning point. All the money that used to go to useless spending or interest now gets directed toward building assets. And when I talk about investing, I don't mean jumping into risky or inaccessible options. It could be starting with low-risk fixed income, ETFs that track major markets, or even small stakes in digital businesses. The most important thing isn't the size of the investment, but the consistency. A simple habit of investing every month, without fail, means that in just a few years, you'll accumulate what many never will. This discipline, established in just 90 days, completely changes your trajectory. But we can't overlook a point that's often neglected: the financial mindset. A perfect plan won't work if your mind is still stuck in limiting beliefs, like money is hard to earn or only the rich can invest. From now on, you need to see yourself as someone capable of building wealth. So, create daily learning rituals, read for 10 minutes about finances, watch educational content, and follow people who are on the path you want to take. This mindset shift is what sustains the practical habits you implement. By the end of these 90 days, you'll have achieved 4 major transformations: absolute clarity about your finances, strategic cuts to waste, a real start to investing, and a mindset that places you among those who build wealth. And believe me, that's enough to be ahead of 95% of the population who keep running on autopilot. The question now is simple. Will you stay in the group that complains about a lack of money, or will you join the few who act and transform their lives in just 3 months? Comment below which of these steps you'll start today. Subscribe to the channel for more practical, proven strategies. Leave a like if this video opened your mind. Because in the end, what separates those who achieve financial freedom from those who stay behind isn't luck, it's a decision. And yours can start now.